Stop and think, what's going on? Do you feel like you're somebody else? Loss of appetite? Feelings of depression? The thought of death constantly haunting you? Extreme anxiety? Irritable bowels? Voices in your head? Is life just a simulation? Has a parasitic virus entered your body and began eating away at your mind?
Our scientists are working countless hours creating the perfect formula. Call right now and you may now have the opportunity to invest in your own future. By purchasing Trevor Something's new album, Ultra Paranoia, you can face all your deep inner fears and be the first double your money back. Act now and we'll give you a downloadable version to treat your symptoms immediately.
I'm Dr. Trevor Something. I'm a real doctor. You can trust me.
Trevor Something is not a real doctor. If symptoms occur or you are having real traumatic issues, contact a real doctor immediately. Using ultra paranoia may cause side effects in some patients, such as upset stomach, nausea, diarrhea, itchy or burning skin, sudden panic attacks, temporary loss of hearing, ringing in the ear, raging mood swings, and uncontrollable or excessive sweat. Trevor Something and In Your Brain LLC are not responsible for any physical or emotional damages created by this content. Ultra Paranoia from Trevor Something. Available everywhere music is available now.
Breaking news. Trevor Something does not exist. But do you? More tonight at 10.
Crazy!